Hey guys, today let's learn how to schedule posts on your Facebook page. So if you guys are wondering how to schedule posts over on your Facebook page, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. What we need to go ahead and do first, guys, is to go on over on the Meta Business Suite. Now, the Meta Business Suite is Facebook's third-party application, which allows you to do more with your Facebook page. So go on over next to log on your preferred Facebook account, which is also associated with your Facebook page, and then proceed with tapping on this plus icon right here. This is going to allow you to choose the post option. So go ahead and choose post option. And then from here, just go ahead and then select where to publish this specific post. Tap on done once you're happy. Now compose your post. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick test run and type in test run for this example. What we need to go ahead and do in order for us to schedule this post is to tap on next, tap on schedule for later, and that's going to allow you to choose a specific date of when you guys could actually post this and a time as well of when you guys prefer to post this. So just tap on done once you're happy with that, and then just tap on schedule. And what that is going to do is it's going to automatically schedule this post on your preferred date and time, and then you could just leave this as it is and go on with working on your daily duties. And essentially that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.